All lessons and touch points are saved and organized by date to keep track of your game's trajectory in an easy fashion. Golf Live provides live streaming with our live replay and recording technology built into each stream. Golf Live has been recognized as one of the top 2024 startups in the golf industry. We have partnered with many PGA sections across the country and currently have 350 PGA and LPGA coaches using the platform. Golf Live 2.0 is the future of golf instruction, providing you a premium and elite experience, all from the Golf Live app.
Each one is the same. Take your marks. But what it fuels is on you. So catch your breath.
The new athletes come up with new ways and new strategies to try and play the sport. It used to be played in a very traditional type of style, but now there are about 6 or 7 different service styles, many different ways you can attack or play a point, and it's just an exciting new territory that the sport has gone into.